Congratulations on the purchase of your new WaterChef Premium Filtration System. You've taken a very important step towards substantially reducing your exposure to chlorine and improving water conditions that are commonly encountered when you shower. Before proceeding with the installation, verify that you have all the parts shown here. WaterChef shower filters are designed to connect with a standard half-inch shower elbow. If your shower elbow does not look like the one shown here, please contact WaterChef Customer Care at 1-800-879-8909. Start by unthreading your existing shower head from the existing elbow by rotating counterclockwise. Take your new shower and thread the housing collar onto the existing shower elbow. Do not use a wrench to tighten, as this may cause damage. Insert gaskets into each end of the shower hose. Thread one end of the hose onto the filter base and hand tighten. Now thread the opposite end of the hose onto the swivel and hand tighten. Thread the swivel onto the shower wand and then secure the swivel onto the filter housing post. The swivel will allow you to adjust the wand to your preferred setting. Now that you have your new shower installed, you must prepare the cartridge for its first use. You will begin by pointing the shower wand at the drain, turning on the water, and letting it run for about 5 minutes, or until the water runs clear. This is going to flush out any leftover carbon particles from the manufacturing process, expel trapped air, and condition the cartridge for normal use. Congratulations! You have now successfully installed your new WaterChef shower filtration system. Get ready to make every day a spa day. Thanks for watching.